If you want to move your WhatsApp from an iPhone to an Android device, in this video we'll show you how you can migrate your WhatsApp data from an iPhone to an Android phone easily. Now start the process by backing up your WhatsApp chat on your iPhone. This allows you to keep your messages and photos safe if you are moving from iPhone to another device. Now open the WhatsApp on your iPhone and go to settings. Tap on chats, chat backup, and then backup now. Wait for the process to complete. Once done, tap on chats and then tap on move chats to Android. Now connect your iPhone to the Android phone with the USB-C to Lightning cable and hit start. On your Android phone, allow all the permissions. Now select an account. Now go to the Play Store and download WhatsApp on your Android phone. Open WhatsApp and log in using the same phone number used on your old device. Enter the verification code and hit next. Now tap import when prompted and allow the process to complete. Now tap the continue button to finish transferring data. Now you must note that Google Drive should have sufficient storage space to back up your entire WhatsApp data. If you found the video helpful, then do not forget to like it, and for more such helpful tips, do not forget to subscribe us.